The clouds are dark now. I think the storm is here.
What? What happened?
It is okay. Stay seated and hold still.
Oh my, I do not like that shaking.
Is it the earthquake?
Our vacation ended too fast. I do not want to go home yet.
Me too. I still want to see more places.
You both need to go back to school, and Emma and I need to go back to our jobs. We need to leave soon, or we will miss our flight.
Airline 101 may pass through a storm area. Please ask the staff if you want a later flight. Mom, Dad, this is our flight number. Mark, should we take a later flight?
No, we will still go. Work and school cannot wait any longer. I hope the weather will be okay. It still looks fine outside right now. Hope for a safe and calm flight. Stay buckled. We should be careful anyway.
I need to take a nap right now.
Oh my, I do not like that shaking.
Is it the earthquake?
Please fasten your seatbelts and stay in your seats.
What? What happened?
It is okay. Stay seated and hold still.
The clouds are dark now. I think the storm is here.
Do not look too long if it scares you.
I do not feel very well right now.
Here, Mom. Take this bag just in case.
Thank you. I think I will be okay.
Dad, I really need the bathroom now.
Wait a little.
Why? Ouch.
The crew said no one should get up. It will be fine. Hold the armrest and stay calm. There is turbulence ahead. The plane will climb higher now.
Oh my God. I do not like this part at all.
Mom, I feel strange. I cannot breathe well.
Breathe slowly, breathe slowly. You are going to be okay.
Thank you, Mom. I feel better now.
Please stay seated. We are almost out of the rough weather. The sky looks calm again. That is a good sign.
The dark clouds are below us now. Look. That was a hard moment, but it is getting better. Are you okay now, Eva?
Yes, I am okay now. Just a little tired.
Wait, where is Jack?
Well, at least he waited until it was safe.
I cannot wait anymore!
Now we can relax and just wait to land.
I am so happy we landed safely. That was the scariest flight I have ever had.
On a plane, always follow the crew and stay calm. Safety rules matter most when travel gets difficult. Have you ever had a scary flight like this? Tell us in the comments.
We hope all of you will have safe trips. Take care and see you next time.
Bye for now!